In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete favorite on Dhgate. If your favorites list has gotten cluttered, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove items you no longer want to save, so your shortlist stays organized and easy to manage. First, open your web browser and go to dhgate.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you see a sign-in prompt, just log in the way you normally do so you can access your personal homepage. When you're signed in, you should land on your homepage, which is the central hub for your account activity and shortcuts. From here, look toward the top right of the page for your profile area. It may appear as your avatar, a small user icon, or a label for your account. Click that profile area to open your account menu. In that menu, find and select My Favorites. This section collects the products you've saved to revisit later, and it's where we'll make the change. Inside My Favorites, locate the specific item you want to remove. On a computer, move your mouse over the item's card to reveal additional options. When you hover, you should see a small trash bin icon appear near the product thumbnail or alongside the item details. On some layouts, it may show up in the corner of the card. The icon is your cue that you can delete the favorite. Click the trash bin icon to start removing that item from your favorites. As soon as you click, Dhgate will display a confirmation message asking if you want to delete the item. This step helps prevent accidental removals, especially if you have a lot of products close together. In the confirmation prompt, click Yes to confirm. The item will disappear from your favorites list immediately, and your list will update to reflect the change. If you have more items to clean up, repeat the same process. Hover over the next product, click the trash bin, and confirm with Yes. A couple of quick tips as you tidy up. If the trash bin doesn't appear right away, make sure your cursor is directly over the item's card, not the empty space around it. And if you're using a mobile browser, tap the item to bring up its options, then look for the same trash bin icon to remove it. That's all there is to it. Go to dhgate.com, open your profile, head to My Favorites, hover to reveal the trash bin, click it, and confirm with Yes. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.